time. It's time to do some headers. So we're gonna go over to Huntington Beach right now and drop off the car at Rad Rides, and I'll see you all there. We're out here at Rad Rides OC, and it's time to drop off the F. I'll leave the GoPro with them so they can get some panning shots. But check this Ferrari, pretty dope. In the air now. First thing we're doing is removing the plastic under tray.
Give us more room for activities. So here at Rad Rides, we're doing the install on the headers for this vehicle, the RCF. We already went ahead and got the car aired up, put on the rack, aired down, exhaust off, getting all the clearance that we need to be able to access the OEM headers, so then we can pull them out and replace them with the American Racing. So all exhaust bracing's off, everything. O2 sensors are out. I have the motor supported. I have the steering rack supported. The headers now have more access. I just need to take off the motor mounts, and we are looking good. So time to remove the old and put in the new.
So here we have the stock header compared to the header that we are throwing in, and you can definitely see the restriction on the stock system compared to the aftermarket system. We are removing this whole piece right here, which is the cat, and replacing with a full open system, so it will breathe a lot better and also sound a lot better.
Process carefully getting the O2 out, that way it doesn't get damaged. Then the heat shield's already loose and the header can come out and we can go ahead and throw in the long tubes. But if you want to get an open visual of this side, everyone will be able to get the understanding of what it looks like when it's all out. So here's a look at the headers with both the OEM ones out and the new American Racing long tube headers. There should be quite a difference in flow. And we are ready to go back in. So here we have the OEM headers and long tube headers out on the grounds to show the difference. We are ready to have the American Racing headers go in place. And time to get going on it.
Hey guys, typical Steven here. So I got my new RCF over here with a fresh exhaust system. It's gonna be super loud. What do you think about this, TJ?
Straight pipes all the way.
It's gonna be very loud. Yes.
Laying pipe for days.
It's gonna wake some people up.
This pipe game just got loud.
So we got the system all installed now. Everything's bolted up, as you can see. Cleaned up. So now we're going to fire it up and see how it sounds. You good? Rivet it.
I think it's going to wake the neighbors.